Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. I'm going to add another question. This one will be a video. I'm going to scroll down at the bottom of my questions, require this question, and then I'm going to add a new question. In this example, I'm going to add a video. It's going to ask me to look for the YouTube URL. This is the video that I want to add to the form. Select share, and then get the share URL. You can also copy the URL at the top. Return to my form, and then paste the URL. This is the video, and then select. I'm going to provide instructions, and then I'm going to add a question. I'm going to select suggestions, add all, and then remove the maybe. I'm going to require this question as well. Now I have added a text question example, an image question example, and a video question example. Feel free to explore these and many options within Google Forms.